Hi everyone, I'm back, which means there must be a storm on the horizon. The weather and media department here at Salem High School is hard at work putting together a forecast to keep you ahead of the storm. Like all storms this winter, the long-term forecast painted this storm as a formidable snowmaker. 5 days ago, the storm looked like it was going to be like Godzilla getting ready to destroy Tokyo. Then the storm makes its approach and it's like, just kidding. The storm looks like a carbon copy of the series of winter storms we've had this winter. I've heard so many people say, Toby, I need a big snowstorm, feet of snow, no more of this mixed stuff, make it happen. I'm a meteorologist, not a sorcerer. I want to be 4 inches taller and 60 pounds lighter. Unfortunately, I don't see that in my future, and I don't see any big snowstorms in our future either. Sorry. So with our sky cam here, looks a lot different than it did this morning. No more sun is visible. We've got high cirrus clouds that are streaming in. These are going to lower and thicken throughout the course of the day, and by this evening we should start to have the first flakes falling by 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. So if we move on to the first radar image here, we've got this storm named Petra by the National Weather Service. Moves in by 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. Snow is going to overspread the region. By 1 a.m. it's going to be snowing moderately to heavy. Looks pretty good, right? There's lots of blue all over the map. New Hampshire's covered. It means snow. It's going to last. Not really. By 7 o'clock in the morning, you're going to see that the green is going to start to overspread the area. Just plain old rain for southern New Hampshire. The precipitation should end by mid to late morning, and the sun will be out by the afternoon with temperatures in the lower to mid 40s. Should sound familiar. We lived this Tuesday into Wednesday last week. So the snow totals themselves, again, not much in the way of measurable snow. We're looking at a general 2 to 4 inches across northern New Hampshire. Lowest amounts are going to be down across the southern part of the state. Ski areas up in the foothills and the mountains of the state are going to see about 4 inches. Folks from Massachusetts or Maine on February vacation are rejoicing, but never fear. It looks like those heading to the mountains next week. For our vacation, we'll see a few rounds of precipitation. Salem for this particular event should see about 2 inches of snow that will turn into slush as the sleet and freezing rain and the rain saturate it. Meteorological spring begins on March 1st, and astronomical spring begins a little over a month from now on March 21st. Winter is almost over. This winter could be labeled the winter that never was. Blame it on him, not me. This nuisance storm is the only weather system between us and February vacation, and this looks weak like all its predecessors. Those heading south toward the tropics enjoy the warmth and the sun. Don't come back too tanned or you might lose some friends around here. Catch us next time the weather turns bad, and thanks for watching.